Hello there, this is Diatom Dave at Fun Science Cheltenham. We're a brand new service to Gloucestershire offering science-themed birthday parties, after-school clubs, holiday clubs and workshops for youth groups all around the county. We cover chemistry, biology and physics, and our sessions support the national curriculum. They really are as fascinating as they are fun. Over 3 videos, I'm doing 3 little experiments all about bubbles. You may have seen the last one where we made bubbles out of acids and alkalis. Well, here's experiment number 2. Now, what do you think an elephant brushes its teeth with? If you said elephant toothpaste, you'd be right. That's what we're going to make right now. Now into this bottle I'm going to put a little bit of this. This is just ordinary dish soap. I'm going to use a good glug, a couple of tablespoons I would say. Now the second ingredient I'm going to use you can get at your chemist. It's called hydrogen peroxide. The people use it to bleach their hair. I might try that later if there's any left. Hydrogen peroxide, or H2O2, is a very reactive chemical, which means that it plays well with other chemicals. Not much is happening. What we need is something to speed this reaction up. Now, scientists call this a catalyst, and the catalyst we're going to use is this. It's yeast, the kind of yeast that you would use for baking bread or making beer. I'm going to add some regular tap water to our yeast, give it a little swirl. Ooh, now you can't smell that, but that smells like bread. Count down with me. 3, 2, 1. Ooh. Here we go. Hey, bubbles. Elephant toothpaste. Now if you enjoyed that, you should check out our home science kits, which are available now through our Facebook page. It's facebook.com/funsci-cheltenham. That's FUNSCI Cheltenham. We are also taking party bookings for this year and next. Find out more information and book at our website fun-science.org.uk. Thank you very much for tuning in. I've been Diatom Dave at Fun Science Cheltenham. Join me again next time for our 3rd and final bubble experiment.